Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Stay tuned.
Beachy Beach.
Today, we have a cute little house in the Parker area in Panama City. You guys, there was one house under $200,000 that's a 3-bed in Bay County. When this was listed.
Just one.
By the time you see this video, it will probably be gone, but we want to share it with you anyways because we want to bring you the hot deals. It's 3-bedroom, 2-bath, would make a perfect starter home for someone, a getaway or a rental, off of a little cul-de-sac, new roof, new kitchen cabinets, new flooring. I mean, pretty much everything redone since Hurricane Michael.
Even the water heater.
Yes.
Everything's ready to go and it's been refreshed. And I love what they've chosen for the updates. It's perfect for a starter home.
Yeah, no carpets.
Absolutely.
So
not.
if you have allergies like me, you don't have to worry about the carpet.
And it's right near Tyndall.
Yes.
It's right there for the base. If you've got military, it's a perfect house.
You want to jot on over to Tyndall, and on the back porch, there's a cute little hot tub.
Yes, I love a
So
hot tub.
extra little perk for that. But this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home, nice and cozy, would have low maintenance, under $200,000, guys, $198,000. If you want a deal like that with no HOA and convenient to Tyndall Air Force Base, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you.
And for more information, look in the description below. Check out the MLS listing for all the important details.
And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like this one.